Hi student, I am p.paramasivam, assistant professor in mechanical department, Mutayamal Engineering College. Today we are going to see about the depreciation. This is the fifth unit of the engineering economics and cost analysis subject. Depreciation. Any equipment which is purchased today will not work forever. This may be due to wear and tear of the equipment or obsolescence of technology. Consider manufacturing industry. The industry going to plan a purchase of lathe. The cost of the lathe is rupees 1 lakh. The industry going to plan use that lathe up to 10 year. After completion of 10th year, the cost of the lathe is going to reduce because of wear and tear of the lathe and new technology implement in the market. Today, the CNC machines is using for the manufacturing of components. And next one, hence it is to be replaced at the proper time for continuation of any business. Olden days in the manufacturing industry was using manually operating machines like milling machine, drilling machines, grinding machines. But nowadays the CNC machine is used for manufacturing. Here industry going to replace manually operating machine into computer control machineries. And third one, the replacement of the equipment at the end of its life involves money. This must be internally generated from the earnings of the equipment. Now the industry going to plan replace the manual operated machine into CNC machine means first industry should sales the manual operated machines. The earning of the company is depend on the sales of the manual operating machines. Next one, depreciation means decrease in the value of any physical asset with the passage of time. In the manufacturing industry point of view, asset means machineries, equipments, buildings. These are all the asset of the manufacturing industry. Method of depreciation. There are the 5 method of depreciation using in the industry. That is, first one is straight line method of depreciation. Second one is decline balance method of depreciation. Third one is the sum of years digit method of depreciation. And fourth one, sinking fund method of depreciation. And fifth one is the service output method of depreciation. First we are going to see about the straight line method of depreciation. In the straight line method of depreciation is the value of the fixed asset is reduced gradually over its useful life. In other words, in this method the value of depreciation is same for all years. The formula of the straight line method are dt equal to p minus f divided by n. Here p is the first cost of the asset, that is initial purchasing cost of the any equipments, machineries, that is mentioned in capital P. F is the salvage value of asset. After completion of equipment life, the value of the equipment is called salvage value. N is the life of the asset. And BT, book value of asset at the end of the period T. Here T mention number of year, first year, second year, third year, likewise. And dt is the depreciation amount of the period T. This is the one example problem of straight line method. A company has purchased an equipment whose first cost is rupees 1 lakhs with an estimated life of 8 years. The estimated salvage value of equipment at the end of its lifetime is rupees 20,000. Determine the depreciation charge and book value at the end of various year using a straight line method of depreciation. Solution. In the problem, a company is going to plan purchase a equipment. The initial equipment cost is rupees 1 lakh, that is capital P, and the estimated life is 8 years. The n equal to 8 years, and after completion of 8th year the value of the equipment is rupees 20,000. F equal to 20,000. Already we know the formula of depreciation in straight line method. Capital dt equal to p minus f divided by n. Thus given data is substitute to the formula 1 lakh minus 20,000 divided by 8. Finally we can get depreciation value rupees 10,000. Already I said in last slide, the straight line method, the value of depreciation is same for all the year. That is mentioned in the table. This table is mentioned depreciation and book value under the straight line method of depreciation. In the top of the table is end of year depreciation book value. The first column, the number of years of the equipment 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 8, and the second column, that is the depreciation amount. In the straight line method, depreciation amount is same in all years. In this problem, the first year depreciation amount is 10,000, second year also 10,000, up to 8th year the depreciation amount is 10,000, and the third column is the book value. In the 0th year, the initial cost of the equipment is 1 lakh, and the completion of first year the depreciation amount was 10,000 and the book value is 90,000, and second year also depreciation value 10,000. That 10,000 directly minus to the 90,000. Okay, here second year book value is 80,000. Likewise, third year also depreciation amount is 10,000 and the book value is 70,000. At the end of the 8th year, the book value is 20,000. The initially purchased equipment cost is rupees 1 lakhs. After completion of 8th year, that value of the equipment is 20,000. This is the another problem. Here consider same example of previous problem and compute the depreciation and the book value of period 5. In the previous problem, we solve year by year what is the depreciation value and what is the book value. But in this problem, only 5th year what is depreciation and book value we should find in this problem. Solution. Already we know initial cost of the equipment is rupees 1 lakhs and the salvage value after completion of 8th year, the salvage value F equal to rupees 20,000. The life of the equipment is 8 years. Already we know the formula of depreciation in straight line method. Capital D equal to P minus F divided by N. That given value substitute to the formula 1 lakh minus 20,000 divided by 8. Finally we got depreciation value rupees 10,000. And the next one is the we should find book value in 5th year. That formula is Bt equal to P minus T into P minus F divided by N. The given value substitute in this formula. B5 equal to 1 lakh minus 5 in bracket 1 lakh minus 20,000 divided by 8. Finally we got the book value of 5th year is rupees 50,000. Okay student, here complete of one method of depreciation. Remaining 4 method of depreciation we will discuss in next class. Thank you.